How to fix Mozilla Firefox keeps freezing on Windows. 1. Turn off hardware acceleration. 2. Clear your history in Firefox. 3. Update to the latest version. 4. Disable add-ons. 5. Update your graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Create a new Places database by renaming your profile files, places.sclide, and places.slide journal, at %of.a%\Mozilla\Firefox/profiles. 7. Session restore files, sessionstore.js at %of.a%\Mozilla\Firefox/profiles.